Okay, this is to help with section 9.5 homework day 1, and this is question number 7. Kind of an interesting deal about getting paid. So you get $1,000 per week for 26 weeks. So that one's pretty straightforward. It's just 1,000 times 26 per week. So you get $26,000 in that scenario. All right, not too bad. Sorry about the poor handwriting there, but that should say 26,000. All right, so the other one is kind of interesting to say, would this one be better or not? Right, so under this one, we kind of have a geometric pattern where the first week we get paid 2 cents, and then we double every week after that. So the next week would be 4 cents, and then the third week we double that again to get 8 cents, dot, 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 all the way up to the 26th week. Okay, so we start off kind of slow. These first three, our total is actually only 14 cents if you add those up. All right, but basically this is a geometric series one where we have to add them all up. All right, so we're going to use our geometric series formula, which looks like this. It says the sum of n terms is the first term, and then 1 minus r to the n power, where r is the rate, over 1 minus the rate. Okay, so we just got to fill in the different numbers here for us. So a1 is 2 cents, and then we do 1 minus r, so we're doubling each time. So we're going times 2, so that's our rate or ratio, common ratio. And then n is 26 because we have 26 terms. And then our denominator is just 1 minus 2. Okay, so the way I do this kind of on my calculator is I just do 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And then I type the rest of this in my calculator to get the numerator and then divide by negative 1. So I'll show you what that looks like here. All right, so we had 0.02 times 1 minus 2 little hat thing, 26 power. Okay, close the parentheses, and that's going to be my numerator. All right, and then you just divide that by negative 1. All right, and so it looks like we get a huge number here. I think that's over $1 million. So our answer to B is actually a little bit more than $1 million. So it goes up quickly, right? If you double by the end here, we're getting quite a bit of money on the 26th day. If you add all those days together, 1.3 million. Right, so if I've got a choice between 26,000 and 1.3 million, it's a tough call, but I think I'll go with the 1.3 million. All right, hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.